Hi everybody, it's 11:50 and 43 seconds now on January 17th. This is now the main drawing for the Spider-Man 309.4. Over here on the left are the 31 filled spots. Alright, gonna roll the 3 dice. Number is lucky 7 for somebody. Gonna randomize 7 times. Name at the top of the list gets the book. If I have time, I will get it out this afternoon. I will be traveling this weekend, most likely, and due to the weather here on the East Coast in the New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania area, if I'm not able to get it out today, there's a very good possibility I'm not going to be able to ship this until Monday, which is the 21st, okay? So, try my best. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7, spot 20, Ken Saxon, congratulations. Time is 11:51 and